A dance works for me. Yeah. A dance works for me. I'm telling you, 1 hour. 1 hour, I get 400 watch hours just in 1 hour. So 4K watch hour within 3 or 5 days. Do you know that? I know you will say it is impossible, especially for small creators. You will know how that can never happen, Nelly. Like, seriously, how? I'm gonna tell you how you can get this 4K watch hour within 5 days. Just do these 4 things in your life. Number one, wash your dishes. Okay? Set your camera properly. Set your camera properly and start washing dishes. Make sure that the camera, when you set it, make sure that your camera is facing you properly, like everything is clear. When someone comes in your life, will properly see you. That's it. And the place, if your dishes or your utensils are very few, what you have to do is wash it slowly. Rinse as many as possible, and please, you will thank me later. That's one. Okay. 2, cook. Method 2, cook. Set your camera properly and let it show properly where you are cooking from. Start cooking until the end. You're gonna have views. I'm telling you, this is working out. Like right now, this is what is working out. Try it, and you're gonna thank me later. Just set your camera properly, your ring light and everything, and start cooking. Make cake, make smoothies, make anything. If you want to make kapsa, if you want to make biryani, if you want to make pilau, do anything, and it's gonna work for you. Three, what you have to do is just set up your camera and sleep. Simple. Set up your camera and sleep. Yes, set up your camera properly, let it face your bed and sleep. But all of this, I'm gonna tell you what you have to do. To be honest, don't just set up your camera and go to bed just so. No, try to make sure even if someone comes to watch your live, they will be somehow confused of what is she doing? Is she sleeping? Is she, try to confuse their mind. You understand? So set your camera properly when you are just going to bed. Set it properly and voila, within 2 days. Let me tell you, within 2 days, you're gonna have 2K watch hour. I'm telling you, 2 days, you're gonna just make sure you do it for a very long time. Let's say 4 hours, you stop, you go again, 4 hours, you stop. Let me tell you, the way you stop that life, you are gonna see 500 or 400 watch hour. Let me tell you that you're gonna see 400 or 500 watch hour. Okay, now number 3 is sleeping. Just go to your pet, set your camera and sleep. People are gonna come in and watch you sleep. Is that not easy, guys? YouTube is making things easier, but we just don't want to use them. We just don't want to use. You can even just sleep. Set your camera and sleep. Wake up, you have watch hour, you start earning. Clap for YouTube, guys. Clap for YouTube. In YouTube really makes things easier, but we just don't want to apply them. You will struggle. But can you imagine? Just sleeping, you get your watch hours. Yay, guys. Okay, number four that I can recommend. This is, I know these things work for sure. This I know it really works for sure. You can now do like if you know to sing, if you know to dance, you can use these two in the mix. Either sing or dance. I swear to you, I swear to God, you're gonna see people. You're gonna see people do a dance. Dance works for me. A dance works for me. Ah, yeah, yeah, yeah. A dance works for me. I'm telling you, 1 hour. 1 hour. I get 400 watch hours just in 1 hour. So for me, dance works for me. If you're a good singer, you have a very beautiful voice. Use it, girl. Use it. Use it, and you're gonna thank me later. You will monetize within a very short time. Within a very short time. So I'm just saying, dancing and singing. If you can do that, do exercise. If you cannot do dancing, if you cannot do singing, if you cannot uh, do exercise. I know exercise you will run. Don't say that you cannot do. As in, who are you? Of course, we all live because of exercise. Our body needs exercise. So don't tell me, oh, me, I cannot do exercise. So as in, it's better you say you cannot dance. I understand. Dance is not for all of us. It's better you say I cannot sing. It's okay. I know. So many we don't know how to sing. So many we don't know how to dance. But exercise, girl, don't say you don't know. Cause you can. Cause you can. You're just saying you're just putting excuses. You can. Okay? So you can do exercise, girl. Wear your exercise clothes and start exercise. Start exercise. And let me tell you, this is all about we Africans. These Indians and Philippines have mastered the internet. I'm telling you, they always get watch hours within a very short minute. They just get it within 24 hours because they know what to do. But here we are like, oh, this is no, this is that, this is dog, this is do. You will be here forever. Try it. Try these four methods. These four things are gonna work for you. I'm telling you. But for me, dance worked for me. I have in just 1 week, I have 2.3 watch hour in just 1 week, and I'm not consistent, you know. And also, I have gained a lot, almost 2k subscriber, just 1 week. Yeah, 1 week, only 1 week, which means if I wasn't monetized, then I will be monetized by now. Just dancing. Just dancing, guys. I'm not doing anything serious, just dancing. You understand? So you can do any of this. Do any of this, and you're gonna see a very big change in your channel. Do that. Do that, I swear to you. And another thing that I want to emphasize on this, try to be creative. Be creative. Try to think, what can I do that I can attract people? Try to think, even if I am telling you, try to cook, try to wash dishes. You know, I'm telling you this, that you can be also creative too. Try to be creative. Be creative. If you know how to sew this, try to sew it. Sew it, and you're gonna see a very big change in your channel.